Want to enable WhatsApp lock? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select Settings. Now, find the option of Privacy. Select that. You will find different options here. Scroll down and find the option of App Lock. Tap on that. Right now it is disabled. If you want to enable it, toggle on this option that says Unlock with Biometric. When enabled, you will need to use your fingerprint, face, or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Now, you can also select when you want WhatsApp to be locked, immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. Go ahead and select your preference. If you do not want to show content in notifications, toggle off this option. Once that is done, next time you open WhatsApp, you can see that WhatsApp has been locked. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.